Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look using makeup that came from my dad. Yes, my dad buys me makeup. Why? Because I live in Manila and he's in the United States, so I have my personal shopper. So most of these items are from an ULTA beauty makeup kit. I'm not sure what it's called or if they even have names, but it came in a bundle inside this little makeup bag. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so for primer, I will be using the NYX Honey Do Me Up. So I'm just going to let that settle in for a while. And my dad did not actually get me any foundation because the last time I asked for foundation, he sent me something that was too orange because he tested it on his arm. The primer is now tacky, and since my dad did not send me any foundation, I will be using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion in the shade W5.5 Suntan. My face is too red as of the moment. Okay, so I'm going in with another drugstore foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me combination stick in the shade 330. For my concealer, I will be taking one of my favorites, the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Honey. I'm also going to put that on the high points of my face or the areas that I would like to bring forward. To set that all in place, I will be taking the LA Colors Mineral Press Powder in the shade Soft Honey, and yes, this is from my dad. And this is not something new. My dad usually buys my makeup since there are a lot of products that are not available here. I live in the Philippines, I am in Manila, and my dad is in the United States, so it's a lot more affordable. Now that my base is pretty much done, I am going to take this makeup set from ULTA, and the bag I've used already, but the makeup inside I have not really looked into. I have not opened this yet, so I'm not sure what's in here. Okay, we have two palettes here. Okay, this one, when you open it up, there are 6 shades, and it is called the You Caught My Eye palette. So I have 4 shimmery shades, or are these all shimmery? Oh, okay, so all of these 5 shades are shimmery. This is the only one that is matte. And then the smaller palette is a bronzer and a blush. I'm not sure if this bronzer shade will work for me, but we'll try it out. So let's try this one out first. Oh yeah, that's not bad. That is very subtle, but it's there. It is very pigmented. Do that on my temples as well. And then for my blush, I'll be using this one. This, by the way, is the Cool Bronzer, and this is the Rose Blush. I'm taking a big fluffy brush for my blush. Oh, that is very pigmented. Okay, that's enough blush for now. For my eyes, I will be taking the shade Butterfly Wings, the only matte shade, for my crease area. So for the inner corner of my lid, I will be taking the shade, these two shades, a white shimmery shade and a champagne shade. And I'm just going to pack that on the inner third of my lids. And then for the outer corner, I will be using this bronze shade called Honeycomb. I am very impressed with the quality of these shadows. They are very pigmented and there isn't any fallout actually.
For the brow bone, I don't usually like putting anything on my brow bone, but for the brow bone, I'm going back in with bunny tail. I'm just going to put a bit.
I do have an eyeliner pencil here. This is called Blackout. I want to keep this look natural. I will be using this on my waterline only. This is not very pigmented, but it is not that bad. It's okay. It's quite okay, but it is quite crumbly. I'm just going to tightline as well. It gets intense with a few strokes. This is the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Volumizing Mascara. Right off the bat, I can say that I really like this mascara. It instantly gave my lashes volume. And then I'm just going to carefully put that on my lower lashes as well. I am sweating so much. It is very hot. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty Clear Brow Shaping Gel. Okay. It looks like this. This is what it looks like. Just a standard small eyebrow gel. I've been into eyebrow gels lately. And my favorite one is still the one from Daiso. I will be trying the highlighter. This is the Ulta Beauty Liquid Illuminator in the shade Northern Lights. Okay, next I will be using this strobe highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and this in the shade Gold Addict. And this, as you can see, did not really survive the flight, or did not survive the ride to Manila. Next, for the lips, we have 3 lip products in this kit. First, I will be using the Ulta Beauty Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Bittersweet. This is what it looks like. It is a very pretty color, and I think it's a soft pencil. It does glide on very smoothly. That looks very pink on camera. On the tube, it doesn't look that pink. In person, it is not that pink. Why does it look so pink on camera? I'm not sure. But moving on to the lipstick. This is the Ulta Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Nude. It has a very pretty packaging. I like that. You see what the color is. I think it's going to be very similar to the... Oh, that is a pretty color. And then finally, I will be trying their juice infused lip oil in the scent coconut. Yeah, it smells exactly like the butter bronzer that we did not get to use. That is a very strong scent, so one swipe is enough. And finally, my dad also got me these lashes from Eylure. They are in the style number 115 or 115. It is also my first time trying out this brand of lashes. I usually use Ardell. Or Red Cherry lashes. And this is what the lashes look like. And the lash glue I'm using is the Pro Eyelashes lash glue from the Face Shop. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Also, if you want to see me do more of these makeup looks from my dad, then kindly let me know in the comment section below, because really a lot of my makeup comes from my dad. A majority, like probably around 80% of my makeup comes from my dad. So let me know if you want to see more of these. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video.